Is the burning, itching, and pain from hemorrhoids making your life miserable? You're not alone. Over 50% of people will suffer from hemorrhoids at some point. But before you reach for expensive creams and ointments, I want to share some simple yet powerful home remedies that can provide relief fast. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 home remedies for effectively shrinking hemorrhoids and managing the uncomfortable symptoms. These remedies use ingredients you likely already have at home, no prescription required. Transition into key home remedies. The good news is there are easy, natural ways to manage the common symptoms of hemorrhoids right from the comfort of your own home. From ice and heat therapies to special baths and essential oils, let's go over 5 home remedies you can start applying today for hemorrhoid relief. Ice packs. Applying an ice pack or cold compress can help constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation and swelling associated with hemorrhoids. Wrap ice in a thin towel and apply to the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes at a time, a few times a day. This can provide immediate relief. 1. Warm baths with Epsom salts. Sitting in a warm bath with Epsom salts can help relieve swelling, discomfort, and itchiness from hemorrhoids. 1. The warmth helps improve blood flow and relaxes muscles. 1. The Epsom salts can reduce swelling and draw out fluid. 1. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes a time, a few times a day. 2. Aloe vera gel. The anti-inflammatory and soothing properties of aloe vera make it useful for irritated skin and hemorrhoids. 2. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly from an aloe plant to the affected area multiple times per day. 2. This can calm inflammation and ease burning sensations. 3. Witch hazel pads. Witch hazel contains tannins and oils that make it naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. 3. Using pre-made witch hazel pads, gently dab the affected area after bowel movements and a few extra times throughout the day to relieve itching, burning and pain. 4. Coconut oil. With natural anti-inflammatory fatty acids, coconut oil can be applied externally multiple times per day to soothe irritated skin around the anus. 4. Apply a small amount directly to the area and allow it to absorb. 4. This can reduce swelling. While hemorrhoids can be aggravating and uncomfortable, these 5 simple home remedies can provide prompt relief from the most common symptoms. Before reaching for medicated creams, give these home treatments a try using affordable ingredients you likely already have. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Natural Home Remedy channel for more videos on natural health solutions.